Hi, hello guys. This is Subhashni studying second year ECE department. Today's session is about the topic multiplexer. Okay, what is multiplexer? A multiplexer is a combinational circuit that has a many data inputs and single output depending on control or select inputs. For n input lines, log 2 of n selection lines are required. For 2 power n input lines, n selection lines are needed. Multiplexer are also known as n to 1 selectors, parallel to serial converters, many to one circuits, and universal logic circuit. Coming to the type of multiplexer, there are 2:1 mux, 4:1 mux, 8:1 mux, and 16:1 mux. 2 means here 2 inputs and 1 means 1 output and it has a 1 select lines. Coming to 4:1 mux, it has a 4 inputs, 1 output and it has a 2 select lines. Coming to 8:1, it has a 8 input lines and 1 output lines and it has a 3 select lines. And in 16:1, it has a 16 input lines, 1 output line and 4 select line. In this session, we are going to see about the 4:1 mux. What is 4:1 mux? In the previous slide itself, I told 4 means 4 input, 1 means 1 output, and it has a 2 select lines. 4:1 multiplexer takes 4 inputs and directs a single selected input to output. It is yet another combinational circuit that has a multiple binary inputs and 1 output. A 4:1 mux is a mux which has a 4 input lines I0, I1, I2 and I3. These are the 4 input lines and it has a 2 select lines S0 and S1 and it has a 1 output line Y. This is the 4:1 mux. Coming to the block diagram of 4:1 mux, already I told it has a 4 inputs I0, I1, I2 and I3 and it has a 1 output Y and it has a 2 select lines S0 and S1. This is the block diagram of 4:1 mux. Coming to the truth table, when S0 is a 0, S1 is a 0, the output Y is I0. S0 is a 0, S1 is a 1, the output Y is a I1. S0 is a 1, S1 is a 0, the output Y is a I2. S0 is a 1, S1 is a 1, the output Y is a I3. This is the truth table for the 4:1 mux. This is the equation for 4:1 mux. Coming to the logic circuit diagram, already I told I0, I1, I2 and I3, these are 4 inputs and here Y is the output and it has a 2 select lines, 4 AND gate, 1 OR gate and 2 NOT gate. This is the circuit diagram for 4:1 mux which has a 4 inputs, 2 select lines and 1 output. Okay, this is the operation of 4:1 mux. In previous slide itself I told when S1 is 0, S0 is a 0, AND gate is A is enabled and AND gate B, C and D are disabled. So the output Y is I0. Similarly for when S0, S1 is a 0, S0 is a 1, the AND gate B is enabled and other A, C, D are disabled. So the output Y is a I1. And S1 is a 1, when S0 is a 0, the AND gate C is enabled and the AND gate A, B, D are disabled and the output Y is a I2. When S1 is a 1, S0 is a 1 and the AND gate D is enabled and the AND gate A, B, C are disabled and the output Y is a I3. This is the operation of 4:1 mux. Okay, this is the coming to the Verilog code module and declaring the name mux. And it has a 4 inputs A, B, C, D and selection line S0, S1 and the output Y. Inputs are A, B, C, D, S0 and S1 and the output is Y and we are here assigning a condition. Output Y equal to S1, S0, D, C, S0, B, A. It is a condition for the 4:1 mux and we are declaring here as a N module. here module and here end module. This is the Verilog code for 4x1 mux. Okay, this is the output waveform for 4x1 mux. In the previous slide, I explained about the truth table. While you are giving the inputs, it are A, B, C, D, S0, S1. While you are giving an input, the output should be like this. This is the output waveform for 4x1 mux. Okay. Coming to the applications of multiplexer, the multiplexer is used as a data selector device, used in the communication system to increase the efficiency of the system, used in the telephone network for integration of several audio signals on a single transmission lines to maintain a large amount of data. Multiplexer are also used in the computer memory system. Multiplexer are also employed in a TV broadcasting system. It is used in a satellite communication and global positioning system. Multiplexer are also used in the programmable logic control system. And this is the some of the applications of multiplexer. So in this session, we saw about the 4x1 mux. So thank you.